quick explanation of the topic accrued income. What is the meaning of accrued? Accrued means to accumulate something over time. It is most commonly used when referring to the interest, income, or expenses of an individual or business. What is accrued income? Income that has been earned in the current accounting year but not received is called accrued income. For example, accrued rent, accrued interest, and more. Let us explain this with the help of an example. Imagine your business owns an investment for which you receive $50,000 as interest income every year. This year is over. However, the interest has not yet been received. This is accrued income for your business. It is treated as a current asset. Key highlights of accrued income. It is recognized when it is earned, regardless of when cash is received. Accrued income is recorded as a current asset on the balance sheet, whereas it is recognized as a revenue on the income statement. At the end of an accounting period, accrued income is adjusted to reflect the actual amount earned and ensure accurate financial reporting. This ensures that revenues are matched with the expenses they generate, providing a more accurate picture of a company's financial performance.